recent years, a lot of focus has been on financial inclusion. Efforts are being made to ensure that all households and businesses, regardless of income level, have access to and can effectively use the appropriate financial services they need to improve their lives. However, insurance penetration in Africa is still relatively low. In the whole of Africa, only about 3.8% have a form of insurance, and a number of reasons are responsible for this. There is general lack of knowledge of the benefits of insurance, and millions have no clue of what insurance is and the benefits it offers them. Also, because of cultural and religious limitations, many do not think about insuring their life or property. Many as well do not trust in insurance institutions with respect to processing claims. And on the path of insurance companies, there is an obvious lack of innovation, coupled with inadequacy of access channels and distribution models to reach the mass market. Due to these, there appears to be a brick wall between insurance companies and the masses. When the unexpected eventually happens, financial stability and quality of life is badly affected, and victims plunge into poverty, hunger, and even lose access to good health care and quality education. To prevent this eventuality from affecting millions of families in Africa, UICI is introducing the Universal Insurance Coverage Initiative, an initiative designed to facilitate the acquisition of at least one type of insurance in every African home. UICI is Nigeria's first fully specialized and socially smart loyalty as a service company. We offer technology, loyalty currency, and consulting services to multiple businesses to meet their growth and strategic interests. Our vision is to be the leading loyalty for service company in Africa. Our philosophy is that Africa's social development problems can be solved by a new wave of socially smart businesses. These problems include poor financial inclusion, poor education, potable water, housing, identification, access to power, and poverty. In other words, we are pioneering a new generation of socially smart businesses to connect new business enterprise to social development for mutual and sustainable profitability. We are opening a new frontier in the African loyalty market in excess of $5 billion. Universal Insurance Coverage Initiative is a private sector-led social development and financial inclusion initiative. UICI is inventing an African loyalty industry for profit and social development. UICI has established a single loyalty currency for all industries, provides the technology platform for its management, and manages identified loyalty ecosystems for shared benefit. The core of UICI business model is to connect merchant service providers to their customers at a consistent point of mutual value for profit, where mutual value range is wide enough to cover personal affinities and incidental social development. Solidly built on the foundation and pedestal of mutual value for our merchant service providers, customers, and sustainable profits for our enterprise. We have established the first phase of our socially smart businesses with the creation of a UICI, Universal Insurance Coverage Initiative. Our revolutionary business model is to connect the daily purchases of goods and services of all citizens in a country to the purchase of insurance through a well-defined loyalty currency program. The core of the social development model is the creative connection of purchases of goods and services made daily by millions of Nigerians or Africans to a consistent incidental access to one social development type or another, especially financial inclusion. In other words, purchase of goods and services will be attributed to purchase of insurance through our loyalty currency. We aim to ensure that most Nigerian or African homes and businesses subscribe to a minimum of one type of insurance, such as fire insurance, car insurance, health and life insurance, and insurance against natural disasters. The UIC delivery model consists of manufacturers, retailers, and service providers, as well as the consumer. The Nigerian loyalty industry is estimated to be about $1 billion per annum, while the African loyalty industry is estimated to be $5 billion per annum. UICI as an enterprise is set to capture 10 to 20% of the Nigerian loyalty market in 5 years. We target 10 to 20% of the African market within the same period. The UICI ecosystem consists of 1. Merchants and service providers, 2. Financial institutions including banks, insurance companies, and pensions, 3. E-commerce platforms, 4. Mobile telecommunications networks, 5. Developmental partners, local and international, 6. Consumer Protection Council, and 7. Consumer. All of these parties working together will deliver the benefits of UICI. The model is mobile technology driven and can be accessed through our USSD service, web application, or mobile app. The initiative offers benefits both to consumers and service providers. Benefits of UICI to merchants and service providers include increased sales, churn management, improved customer satisfaction, improved customer experience, and improved customer relationship. For the consumers, on the other hand, it's an established reward tool for appreciation of patronage, and it improves the buying power of consumers. Also, the UICI loyalty currency has a wide range of usage. Last but not least is financial inclusion. With UICI, people of different income classes have access to various financial services such as eye insurance. So when the misfortune strikes, such as the death of a breadwinner or loss of property to natural disaster, UIC points provide subsidy for unforeseen expenses that could potentially affect the financial stability of many homes. This helps to hedge against the associated risks of poverty. With the UIC points, households can readily access insurance that will provide cover for healthcare expenses when required, helping to bridge the gap between good healthcare and affordability. A booming insurance industry will drive economic growth, and the full implementation of UIC will lead to huge growth in the insurance sector. UIC will help reduce inequality in the society as the points are readily accessible and available to all classes of the society. Through the socially smart model, we have succeeded in establishing Africa's best opportunity to achieve social and financial inclusion for most of its population. The UIC ecosystem consists of various parties working together to ensure an excellent service. The key business activities include development of loyalty currency management portal, development of LCM USSD application, sign-up of merchants, sign-up of development partners, sign-up of service providers, setup of CRM embedded ERP system. UIC Innovations has deliberately and strategically positioned itself for minimal or arm's length regulation. This is informed by the need to minimize failure points for the project. Our engagement will largely be focused with the Consumer Protection Council, whose regulatory mandate is to protect consumers and ensure they are never shortchanged. Our marketing communication strategy has two key elements. 1. Cross-investment by members of the loyalty ecosystem. And 2. Universal marketing and positioning of UICI and a loyalty as a service company. UICI cost structure will be expended on human resources, software maintenance, and corporate communication. UICI's revenue streams include 1. Loyalty currency margin fees, which is 20 kobo on every 1 naira. 2. Platform product management fees. This is 5 to 20% of value of service, depending on partner type. 3. Technology maintenance fees, which is 500,000 naira per annum. 4. Subscriber account license fees, which stands at 20 naira. 5. Tailored advertisement. 6. Consultancy services. This is a retainer fee of 5 million naira per annum. The key resources and infrastructure required include 1. A USSD application. 2. A loyalty currency management portal available as a web application and mobile app. 3. Middleware to enable connections to and with strategic partners. The UIC Customer Relationship Management Framework is established in 3 levels. Level 1. Mobile Network Operator Customer Center. Here, network-related issues are attended to. All non-network related issues are transferred to UICI or service provider by the network. Level 2. UICI Customer Center. This is an outsourced customer care that attends to issues to the LCM system, e.g. loyalty accounts, loading issues, and more. Level 3 is the Service Provider Customer Center, which attends to service-related issues like access. In 10 years, we aim to reverse the abysmal statistics of insurance penetration in Africa by ensuring that most African homes and businesses subscribe for at least one form of insurance.